Let's see how polymorphism works in Python. Polymorphism literally means different forms of the same object. Polymorphism is a very important concept in object oriented programming, as it allows to create different classes to have methods with the same name. To demonstrate how this works, let me show you the example. So, suppose we have a class C1, and within that class we have the methods. So, I have method M1, and I have a class C2 which inherits C1. And within this class C2, we have the method M1, the same name of the method. Now, suppose I do print A in method M1, I can do print B in method M1 in C2. So, you can see we are doing different work within the same method. So, an actual program would be like if we have the class animal and we have the method sound. So here first I will define init. First I'll write the init function, and I write self comma animal name, the name of the animal. Now self dot name is equal to name. Within the sound method we take the we write self comma x, and then we write the animal makes the sound x. Next we write the class cat, which inherits animal. So now we'll define the function, we define the method sound. So therefore the method sound is the one uh, which we have put in the class animal as well as in class cat. So self comma x, we are given the parameters, and we print self dot name makes this sound. We write self dot x. Now we create the object of the cat function of the cat class, and we write kitty, the name of the animal, and the sound that it makes is purrs. So c dot sound is purrs. I forgot to write x over here. So self dot x is equal to x. We have to also give your on the while calling the function kitty comma purr. Now we can write. Now we can see it writes kitty makes this sound purrs. Now if we change which function we are calling, so instead of calling the sound function from the cat class, we create another object a is equal to animal, and in this we will write the same we write kitty and purrs, and then write a dot sound. And when we click enter, so first the cat class method is implemented, so we write kitty makes sound, and the second is that the second is the animal class method is run, so we get the animal makes the sound purrs. So you can change the second one to meows over here in the class, and we run this again. So we write kitty makes the sound meow, and the animal makes the sound meows. So this is how polymorphism works in Python.